What was that?
Don't you know our Pappu Bhaiya is going to London?
Really? ऐसी English के साथ?
नहीं, he'll improve and so is even taking English classes so that now he can talk English, walk English, laugh English because English is a very funny language. So coming before you is our Pappu Bhaiya's journey of life as to how he lives his dreams by finally making it to London through our English comic play, Pappu Goes to London.
Dreams can come true.
Would you like a cup of tea?
A little later, I wonder why Pandeyji hasn't delivered the newspaper.
There, I see he's come.
Come in, Pandeyji. Pappu, you've come.
Father, not well. I come today.
You can speak English?
No, sir, not well. I want to learn English and then get a good job in a call center and then go to London. It's my dream.
Till which class have you studied?
Oh, there is a very good institute. Her Majesty's English Speaking Institute. I know the owner. I shall speak to her if you want. I'll be thankful.
Well, then go there at 7 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Ramesh!
Hi, Suresh.
Oh, Ramesh, I'm at Stenson. ...
Why? Question mark?
My English speaking power is going down. ...
Even my two full stop.
I have heard that no getting job if no English speaking. ...
Idea. Exclamation mark. Let us both go to ... Her Majesty's English Speaking Institute. I have heard that it is talk English, walk English, eat English, everything English.
Us come.
Raju, where are you? This man is never found when he's needed.
You called me? I clean classroom as you follow me.
When will you learn to speak correct English? So many years have passed. Still?
I samjho English. That is bus for me.
All right, go. Come in.
Good evening, please, lady.
Excuse me?
I'm coming here for to be learning the English.
Oh, you are early.
Oh no, I'm Ali.
I beg your pardon.
My name is Ali Nadeem, and I'm coming here for to be learning the English.
You mean you wish to join our new classes for English as a foreign language?
Yes, please. And I'm hoping to be enrolled.
Hoping to be unrolled.
Like it's in your syllabus.
You mean hoping to be enrolled.
That is what I said. Hoping to be enrolled.
But I'm afraid you cannot be enrolled, until your English teacher arrives. In the meanwhile, perhaps you'd care to fill the form and wait for your teacher, Miss Brown.
Jolly good. Thank you.
I am Ragini Iyer. We come here to learn English. Welcome all. Please sit. Raju, distribute the forms. What are you doing? Fill the form. Fill the form. Write your name. Your name, like Ali, me, Miss Gupta, Your name?
Naam. Naam.
What is this? Write in English. I don't understand this.
अगर इतनी इंग्लिश आती होती तो आपके पास क्यों आते हैं?
Squeeze me, ladies. C means her name is Jamila.
All right, my fault.
Fault.
Ma'am. What ambition? What do you want to become? I want to go to London. All right, good. Write it. Now please give back your forms and wait for your teacher, Miss Brown.
Miss Brown? What? Chocolate brown?
Good evening, everyone.
Good
evening, ma'am. Sit down. I am Miss Brown, and I'm going to help you to learn correct English.
Miss Brown? We brown, you white. Then how you brown?
No, my name is Miss Brown.
Funny name. English? Funny language. I myself, sweet teasing.
Well, first let me know your names and what you do. So, what is your name?
Maximilian and Drea Archimedes Papandreou.
I think I'll just put it down as Max. I take it you are Greek.
Right from Athens.
And what is your job?
I walk with sheep.
You walk with sheep. A shepherd. You work on a farm.
No. Not farm.
But you said you work with sheep.
Sheeps, big sheeps, clan, waters.
Oh, you mean ships.
Right?
Thank you.
Hola. Buenos días. ¿Cómo está usted? My name is Isabella and I am from Spain. Tengo come to study English. I work at a restaurant. I can prepare delicious hamburgers. I know many recipes.
This not a cooking show. And no food, only Chinese good.
You Chinese always eating round worms, hookworms with onions and capsicum.
Oh, you mean charming? Love charming, love China. How you dare!
All right, stop fighting. Welcome, Miss Isabella. Sit down. Now, let us continue with your introduction.
And so, in this manner, all the students are introduced to Miss Brown. 1 week later,
Silencio!
Who says so?
I, Eliza, the Italian, say silence. You're supposed to be studying in your book. Homework done?
Who? You, Miss Brown. I, Tarokeshwar Bandyopadhyay.
I, Eliza, I've done my homework. Miss Brown told to go to dance school. I go lovely.
Which dance?
Salsa.
No dance as good as Robindra Shangi.
No. No dance as energyful as Bhangra.
What's happening here? The principal will be very angry. Sorry, ma'am. All right. So, as you can recall, when last we met, I gave you each an assignment to do over the weekend. I hope you have all done them.
No, ma'am.
All right. Now, I want you each in turn to stand up and give me a report on your various activities. We'll start with you, Pushpa. Your task was a visit to the cinema. Would you like to tell us about the film you saw?
It was about the most beautiful, tactless Indian girl who fell in love with a boy from Bata class.
lower class.
So girl's father said, no get married. So they run away. Then girl's father is catch them and chopped off boys' legs.
Ayyo!
Later, father is being died. Girls see a beggar man in the street. Oh, it is a sweetheart, she cries. No legs, no matter. You be marry me. Boy, okay, he say, I go and make myself look nice.
With no legs?
Then a big motor car hit her and kill her. It was the most miserable and I enjoyed it very much.
All right. Thank you, Pushpa.
Thank you.
Very good. Now, Taro, your task was a visit to the Allen Zoo. Tell us about it.
I arrived at Allen Zoo.
No, Taro, it is Allen Zoo. Start again.
I arrived at the Allen Zoo.
It is Allen Zoo. There are no O's. Do try and get out of the habit of ending every other word in O.
I try. Went first to see a buffalo.
Buffet?
Like a big bull.
Oh, a buffalo.
Taro confused.
Look, words that end in O, like radio or buffalo or vertigo, you pronounce the O. But where there is no O, you don't have one. Do you understand?
Yes, so.
I give up. All right. Thank you, Taro. Now, Suli. Your task was a visit to the Petticoat Lane.
Petticoat Lane very disappointing.
Why was that?
Not see one petticoat.
Look, Petticoat Lane is just a name of a place. Don't you find marketplaces interesting?
Marketplaces full of capitalist traders selling goods at very high prices to ignorant working people. Chairman Mao says...
Don't mind what Chairman Mao says. Thank you, Suli. Now, Anna and Ali.
Anna.
Yeah. I asked you two to read one of Shakespeare's plays. Were you able to do that?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we are reading about Sherlock.
You mean Shylock.
Yeah, the merchant of Venice.
Good. Carry on.
First of all, there's a lady, Porta.
Her name was Portia.
Yeah, there's a man called Bassanio who's fancying this lady, Porta. Portia, but he's broken.
Broken what?
Stony broken. No money.
You mean broke.
Yeah.
Carry on, Ali.
So he's going to see his friend Antonio and saying, oh, please be lending me 3,000 buckets.
Ducats.
Sorry, please. But Antonio was also broken. So he's going to Shylock, the money-lending man, and asking him to be lending him the money. Shylock is agreed, but on one condition. If in 3 months' time he is not able to pay back the money, Shylock would cut off 1 pound of Antonio's fleshy.
Why does he want a pound of human flesh? Question mark.
Might be one of them is ... cannonballs.
Cannibals. All right. Thank you. I think that is enough for today.
Jolly good.
Thank you. Now, Ranjit.
Yes, ma'am.
Your task was a visit to the Highgate Cemetery.
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, I seen the burying place of Karl Marx.
Oh yes, the father of communism.
Father? I do not understand. Karl Marx, not my father.
Arey Ranjit, Karl Marx, father of communism. Yes, no, Miss Brown?
No, not at all. All right, forget about it. What else did you see?
I seen many beautiful grey stones.
Gravestones.
I seen one grey stone and I